there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn a short, fun, easy routine to Gravy by Dee Dee Sharp. But one more thing before we get started, there's not going to be any music in this video. This is the tutorial only where we're going to break down the steps. When you're ready to practice it with music, it's in a separate video that's linked in the video description or up here on this card. So go check out that other video, just click that one link when you're ready to practice this with music, or if you just want to see what this looks like with music. All right, let's get our gravy on. Here we go. So this short dance is gonna have 4 8 counts. That's it, our first 8 count. You're gonna start feet together. You're gonna take your hands in fists and we're crossing them in front, and then you're picking them up and pushing them behind you. So they come up into the front, up and behind. And if you want to, you can kind of bounce or shake side to side with that, with the rest of your body. So we're gonna go to the front on 1, 2, then we're gonna go to the back on 3, 4. On 5, 6, 7, 8, you're gonna mash your potatoes. So I'm gonna take my right fist on top and do 2, and then I'm gonna switch with my left fist on top and do 2. So I'm going 5, 6, 7, 8. You can do them all on one side. You can do the left first and then the right. It doesn't matter. If you're moving, you're doing it right. As I do my mashed potatoes, I'm gonna step out to the right and kind of bounce into it, and then I'm gonna switch to my left. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8. So this full 8 count, you start with your feet together. We go to the front, 1, 2, back, 3, 4, right, 5, 6, left, 7, 8. Try it. 5, 6, shake it to the front on 1, 2, back, 3, 4, right, 5, 6, left, 7, 8. Our second 8 count from here, you're gonna repeat the forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, you're gonna step out again on 5, 6, but this time you're gonna take your thumb and you can either point it to yourself because the lyrics say something about me, or you can take it and point it out to the side. Either way, we got like that hitchhiker thumb. You're gonna go 2 to the right, and then you're gonna go 2 to the left. So it's the same lower body work. Instead of mashed potatoing, you're just doing your thumb out. So our second 8 count repeats forward and back, then to the right, to the left. Woo, try our 2 8 counts together, nice and slow. 5, 6, shake it to the front on 1, 2, back 3, 4, mashed potato to the right and left, back to forward and back, 2, 3, then we do our hitchhiker thumb. Yeah, let's try that one more time, I'll count it. 5, 6, 7 to the front, go 1, 2, back 3, 4, right 5, 6, left 7, 8, front 1, 2, back 3, 4, right 5, 6, left 7, 8. Great job. You're doing an awesome job. Remember, if you're moving, you're doing it right. This next step, we're gonna do a little scoop step, but just your footwork. We finished here to the left. You're gonna go to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and bring your feet together. Then you just go back to the left, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're just rocking to the right and rocking to the left. Arms, you're gonna take your hands back in fists, and we're scooping them down and up to the right, then back, to the right, and up, and they just come here, and then you reverse it to the left, and back, to the left, and up. Yeah, ooh, coordination. So we go right, back, right, together, left, back, left, together. 5, 6, we scoop our arms to the right, right, 2, 3, 4, left, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, scoop your arms to the right. 1, 2, 3, then left, 6, 7, 8. Very, very nice. That's gonna come after we did our finger hitchhike thumb to the right, hitchhike to the left, and then you're just gonna scoop to the right right away, and then to the left. Woo, let's go back to the top. Put 3 8 counts together. You're doing awesome. Shake it to the front on 1, 2. 5, 6, shake it to the front on 1, 2, back 3, 4, potato 5, 6, 7 to the front again. 1, 2, 3, hitchhike to the right, 6 left, 7, scoop it to your right. 1, 2, 3 together, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. We only have one more 8 count left to learn here, but remember it's recorded. So if you ever need to go back and watch any of it again, please feel free to do it. Pause it, practice whatever you need to. When you're ready to learn our last 8 count of choreography, here we go. So we just did our scoop to the right and scoop to the left. You're gonna take your right arm and we're gonna kind of do that little, like a swim step forward. So your right arm's gonna come up and push forward. Then your left arm's gonna come up and push forward to meet it. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can kind of bounce with this. You can shake with it. Whatever you want to do with the rest of your body. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. That says gimme, 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 gimme. And then on gravy tonight, I'm gonna clasp my hands together and I'm gonna stir my gravy. That's my favorite step. So they clasp out here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I'm gonna pull them back in and I'm gonna take it to my right, but I guess it's actually circling to the left, to the left. I'm gonna make 2 big circles, stirring my gravy. 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you wanna go this way, it doesn't matter. So we're going right arm and left arm and stir your gravy. 5, 6, your right arm swims to the front on 1, 2, left 3, stir. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Dancing with you makes me so happy. Let's go back to the top. We're gonna put all 4 8 counts together. We're gonna start forward and back and then mashed potato. Nice and slow, just for our brains to remember everything. Here we go. 5, 6, we shake it to the front on 1, 2, back 3, 4, potato. 5, 6, switch, 7, to the front. 1, 2, back 3, hitchhiker. 5, 6, 7, scoop to the right. 1, 2, 3 together, 4, left. 5, 6, 7, swim to the front. Right and left, stir it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very, very nice. All right, we're gonna do it again. We're gonna go a little bit faster because it is faster with music. It's always faster with the music. But we learn it slow so that we can eventually speed up. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ready. 5, 6, shake it to the front right ear. 1, 2, 3, mashed potato. 5, 6, 7, front. 1, 2, 3, hitchhike. 5, 6, 7, scoop right. 1, 2, 3 together. 4, left. 5, 6, 7, swim front. 1, 2, 3, stir it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. All right, we're gonna do it one more time here together. Maybe a little bit faster, closer to the actual tempo of the song. We're just gonna have some fun. Are you ready? If you're moving, you're doing it right. Here we go, forward and back. 5, 6, 5, 6, to the front on 1, 2, back 3, mashed potato. 5, 6, 7, front and back. 2, 3, hitchhike. 5, 6, scoop it to your right. 2, 3, now left. 5, 6, swim it to the front. 1, 2, 3, stir your gravy. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah! Fantastic. You did it. Great, great job. Thank you so much for joining me for this tutorial, our Thanksgiving dance. I know the song's not about actual gravy, but it's fun. It doesn't matter. Who doesn't want to do a mashed potato? I appreciate you so much. Remember, if you want to try this with music, it's in a separate video that's linked in the video description. Go check that out when you're ready to practice this with music. If you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again so much for joining me. I hope this got you up and moving and smiling, because that's what dancing is all about, just moving and having fun. In the spirit of Thanksgiving, please know how grateful I am for you, for this opportunity to dance from you, from my home to wherever you are in the world. It means so much to me. I appreciate you spending your time here with me today so much. I hope that we get to do it again very soon. Have a fantastic Thanksgiving, a wonderful rest of your day. Remember to be kind to yourself and kind to others. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye, y'all.